This is what I mean when I'm constantly preaching about cooking food from scratch. This is homemade, smoky pork stock, I guess you would call it. I saved a bunch of bones from some smoked pork that I had, and I made stock with it in the crock pot. So what else am I gonna make with it? Some onion soup. That's right, baby. This is where food comes from. It doesn't come from a package. It doesn't come from the fucking frozen section in the store. It doesn't come from any pre-made fucking crap. This is where real food comes from. You have to cook it. Yeah, I know. You're gonna mess it up a couple of times. You're gonna screw some shit up. You're gonna fail, but you're also going to succeed. So don't forget that shit, okay? You know what I mean? Like, you have to cook from scratch because they're trying to poison you every step of the way these days. They're all companies, my friends. They're all trying to make a dollar. They're not after your health. They're after your money. That's it. That's all there is to it. So you have to take your health back into your own hands, and you have to try to make your own food. I mean, you're not going to succeed in everything you make the first time. You're going to mess it up, but just keep trying. Just keep trying. If the recipe is that important to you, just keep trying, and eventually you will make it. It'll turn out right, or it'll turn out close enough. Look at this beautiful stock. This is that stock that we just made after it's been cooled. See how gelatinous that was? That's life-giving, my friends. That's collagen. That's where it all starts from. Look at this beautiful color on this. That beautiful caramelization from the onions. Oh my goodness, look at those biscuits. They puffed up like a motherfucker. Look at all those layers in there. That soup is steaming, it's beautiful. If I had a little fresh thyme, this is where I would add it, but I don't, so it is what it is. Look at this golden crunchy exterior and that soft fluffy interior. Oh my God, these biscuits, I can't wait to eat this shit. Make your own food, my friends, trust me.